Hello. So munaog na si ako kay hapit ng alas 8. Basta ang sa ilong nag-agas ang singot. You asked me what I want. You asked me what I need. There's nothing you can buy. My heart's not ruled by greed. I don't love diamonds. Diamonds you see through. I want you to hold me. I want you to give it a gift of love. Look me in the eyes. See I'm the one you're dreaming of. That is be the best surprise. Give me the gift of your sweet love and the light of the day and the love and love. Gini nyaw kantas badiday. Give it a gift of love. Look me in the eyes. See I'm the one you're dreaming of. That'd be the best surprise. Lord, I love you. Thank you sa tanan. Tanan, tanan, tanan. La da da, la da da da, da 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 da, da da da. Singot, singot pa more. Unang pagtanaw ko sini, ako na ignorante. Ang tingalan bakad ko, mangit-ngit man bisag uto. Ako kalit na tingala, niya tong salida ha. Kay dito sa pilon haskang daghanag yung litra. Lord Jesus is my everything. Okay, so hapit na jud 8. Munaog na ta. Kay init na kayo. Tumataging ting ng kainit.